Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to get Facebook Marketplace. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you are searching for Marketplace on your own Facebook profile but you cannot find Marketplace, then you can do two things to get your Marketplace on your profile. First thing, open your profile and then click on edit profile and click on this. Edit your about information and here click on contact and basic information. Make sure your age is 18 plus. If you are not 18 plus, then you are not able to use your marketplace on your Facebook profile. So make sure you are 18 plus. Then you will be able to use marketplace. Okay, then you are 18 plus but you are still not able to use marketplace. Then what should you do? As you can see, here is no marketplace available right here. My Facebook profile is in 18 plus but I am still cannot use marketplace on my profile. So for that, now only see how to visible marketplace. Click here and click on help and support. Report a problem, click this first option. Search for marketplace and when you get it, click on it. Then write something about your problem here, like I'm writing, marketplace is not showing in my profile, please fix this problem. Also you can attach a screenshot or video, then click on submit. So feedback submitted. Once it's submitted, Facebook will get this feedback and obviously they will check this feedback and will solve your problem. So this is how you can get Facebook Marketplace. So this is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.